Today I am going to be demoing a very quick feature that allows us to shift the view. I haven't quite perfected it yet, but I'll show you what it does. So basically I've added a default translation that happens no matter what, so that we can, I've given it this screen X. A DG game has a screen X and a screen Y. And every time it draws, if you call the super.draw with the graphics 2D object, then you can it translates with the drawing area to the screen X and screen Y, so that the top left corner, so that 0, 0 becomes screen X, screen Y, which means that you can focus on different places in the game. And because if you had something that goes from negative a million to negative million to positive million, positive million, you could set the screen X and screen Y to view individual chunks from inside that range. So right here I have a dir X and a dir Y, which is negative 10 and negative 10, and we just have some out of bounds checks. If screen X is less than 0, then we multiply the direction X. Screen Y is less than 0, multiply direction Y, and same for if it's more than width or height. We fill a rect with the we fill a rect in red that shows the actual where it's translated to. So if there was no translation, if we weren't doing this, then it would just be a constant red background. But because we are doing this, it's bouncing around, kind of like a ball, actually. As you can see, it's bouncing off the edges, and it's always drawing at 0. It's always trying to draw at 0, 0. But because we call super.draw in our game, this is translating it to the right generally, and we could have this is less than negative 100, and we can give it some margin on the top as well as the bottom. And I have here I'm printing out all of the and the box starts at a random place too. At a random place in the frame, between 10 and 50, 10 and 50. And here we're just printing the screen X and screen Y. And as you can see, we go from 15, 11. Dir X must have been -10, dir Y must have been -10, because we go to 5 and 1, negative 5, negative 9. We go out of bounds here, so we have to start going up. Then right here we go out of bounds on the y-axis. Then we go right. Yeah, and that's all. This is version 1.1.0. There will probably be a patch for this. Thank you for watching. Bye.